Hi guys, welcome back. See, May 2021 monthly horoscope if you are going to see throughout the May, ensure that you pay attention to your relationship and the financial aspect. The sun will be the Taurus, so you put an emphasis. Now you are in sign and budgeting. You are ruling the planet. Mars will be in the square with the Cancer for the entire month. So you also need to focus on family and home matters to solve and disagreements you may have with your loved ones and make a adjustment. Adjustments. Decide to be constructive and not aggressive. The planet Saturn will be continue to influence friendliness and projects you may have by prompting them the entire second decan. The planet Jupiter will also bring some last touches. Some last touches and to these sectors. As starting with the 14th, it will enter the pieces, send you an invitation to just wonder. Starting with the 21st, Gemini will send harmonious energies to your sign. So many opportunities for the relationship will come your way. Whereas your friendships will be the dynamic, the month end will be like your temperament. So heavenly promises you will be welcome. So May 2021, if I see the main things and highlights for the month of 2021, the horoscope says Aries should clarify their path. May will be for them a time to move, even if they may feeling misplaced, and to grow. Your decision will bring you discipline in your life. The way plan align will be the encouraging you to leave some of your habits behind. This way, you will become stronger on the inside, and new paths are going to open in front of you. These paths will allow you to create a balance between what you know and the experiences you have lived the past few years. Races will have energies that will help them grow on a personal level. May will also be month and which you are traveling here and there close by. Your tips will be creative communication, so you will be establishing amazing bonds with the people in our surroundings. The expression and opening of the new approaches will be stimulated, something that will help change your career. You will get to do something closer to your dreams and talents. The end of May is beneficial for fostering family and friendships, also for being more passionate in love. Coming to the love horoscope for May, Aries will need to take advantage of the May first fortnight as much as they can. And when it comes to romance, during these days they will have a chance to share a lot about themselves. Single rams will get to experience passionate encounters and find a special first person. Them. Those Aries who happen to be in the relationship will have the opportunity to create some more wonderful connections with their partner. However, this doesn't mean everything will be milk and honey. May 2 fortnight looks very difficult when it comes to romance, as it brings difficulties and putting the blame on the in the couple, and for things that don't even matter that much. In case your partner is happy, maybe May can be a calmer month in which you are going to out a lot with your other half. The situation is not like this and your partner is depressed. Some old and very sensitive matters may come back to the surface. Starting with the 20th, you will be dynamically communicative and have a good sense of humor. So you will have any situation, Mars makes you more eager to get married, quite in an excessive manner. Don't mistake stunt for selection. Planets gathering is starting with the 20th will facilitate your encounters, increase the chances for an affair. You may end up with one of your friends too. Coming to the main thing, career and financials for this May. Everything will be fine at work, even your projects are progressing very slowly. It is possible you may pay special attention to them this month. Yet this doesn't mean things will get solved or you work hard to achieve your goals. Therefore, you pay attention to their things that need you focus. Excellent situation with the money. The best month for the finances. You will get rewards. I mean, for all your efforts, things will be amazing. As you will have enough fees in your wallet to buy what you want, to travel, to spoil yourself, and even to invest. This will make you happiness stranger. It will likely you will be envious. Some relationships you are witnessing because you may think people are next to you only to your money. Your partner is going to give you advice on economic aspect, even present you some great opportunities for making more. If April has been a month of positive changes for Aries as far as work goes, March will be March will be even better. Mostly because many of these natives are changing their jobs or have managed to end up doing what they love to be doing the most of for living, meaning they are happy and satisfied. See, main is health is like wealth. COVID is going on. Yeah, right. Obviously, your financial and emotional situation is going to bring down Aries' health, especially if you don't spend too much time going out. It is necessary for them to take walks and move their body if they want to remain healthy. In case they have spent the year so far not being too physical, they need to pay the doctor a visit in May. They need to be calm if they want to solve all the problems, avoid feeling exhausted or annoyed. So this is about for today. And guys, thank you so much. May month is completed. My request is guys, and just very seriously, please subscribe it. Thank you so much. Bye.